So without any further, we're gonna jump straight into it, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to make this. So we're gonna start it off. I got some leftover red apple, all right, ginger, all right, and we're gonna put some carrot inside of it. All right, we're gonna have half of a lemon inside of it. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna using a medium-sized cucumber, and this is a cucumber, one medium-sized cucumber. All right, lovely. But look at that, excellent. All right, and that's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. So if you notice, I'll make sure leave the cucumber for last because it is very easy to blend with the rest of the ingredients. So that's why I leave it for last. Also, what we're gonna do, I love to put some meringue powder inside of it. All right, we're gonna put a nice lovely teaspoon of, this is 1 teaspoon of fresh meringue powder inside of it. Nice one. So if you're a person who loves meringue like myself, then this coming really handy for you. All right, and I will say to you guys, please give it a go. All right, because trust me, it's worth it. Now, as you can see, all of those ingredients which I just used, they are very easy to get. Now we're gonna add some water to it. Roughly about a cup of water to it. All right, nice one. And then lid. All right, yeah, and this is the way it look. So amazing, look at that. So we're gonna make some noise. All right, we're gonna blend it up and make a little bit of a noise. Okay, all right, now here it is, and this is the way it look. All right, guys, amazing. All right, now I didn't add any honey or sweetener to it or anything. I leave it naturally. All right, yeah, because at the end of the day, it's just better to just do it that way. So right here, I'm gonna run it through our strainer. All right, so we're gonna run it through our strainer just like this. Okay, you can drink it as it is, but remember it's gonna be a lot of fiber. But while I'm doing it, it's worth it. Now you can have this if you like, but sometimes I don't have it, to be honest with you. I just naturally, you know what I mean? But you can always use this, the fiber, and do stuff. I'm gonna pour the rest. Nice one. Yeah, that looking good, guys. Honestly, that looking fantastic and amazing. Yeah, man, I hate this one. So, as the guys can see, that looking excellent. All right. Probably this one is a little bit small. All right. Yeah, look at this. So we're just gonna pour it out. Wow. That looking amazing. All right. That's what Chef Ricardo been talking about. So, all right. So right here, guys, brand new recipe for you where you guys can drink at home and enjoy something totally different. All right. So please enjoy the recipe and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. And remember, subscribe is very important. All right. As you can see it for yourself. Fantastic and an amazing recipe. Thank every one of you guys who take the time and support the healthy side from Chef Ricardo cooking. I'm always trying my best to give you some good recipes, guys. All right. Yeah. Mr. Smart, thank you so much. Chef Kenny, here's his end. Thank you so much. Big up yourself, man, every time. Thank you so much for the support and for the time.